welcome back to my channel. And in this video we're gonna see my 2020 journal and some of my New Year resolutions. I've been just starting for a while, that's why I've kept my books up here, because my next video is gonna be about note taking. Just want to show you guys this is how my notes look. I hope it's pretty neat and clear. So let's move on to the video 2020 journal. Here's my 2020 journal. I know it's like pretty small because I just started journaling like in the month of August, I guess. That's when I started journaling. So I just wanted to, experiment with different formats and then sort out which one really suits me. That's why I have a small journal. So this is how the front page looks, the front decor. I know this one is not so cool because it's just my first time. I was trying to do something else and ended up doing this. And this is, and then I've written all the months with their dates, like it's a calendar, 2020 calendar, and there's a motivational quote. And then here I'm gonna write my goals for 2020, and then the books that I've read, lyrics log, self-care. I have to fill all these pages. I haven't yet filled them, but I'll fill it soon. And this is the same thing that I showed you in my last video, which was on my wall, things I should change to become a better person. And then affirmations. And this is the January spreadsheet. I've already did it so that it will be easy for me when I start New Year 2020. January, I've chose the color green and the theme is this cactus. There's just a really motivational quote and your quotes every day, each quote. So for that, 31 days quote. Then note of Jan, thoughts of 2019, gratitude page, habit tracker, and then I want to make sure that I write daily, like do journaling daily. So I've left few pages for